Guys, we received this device today, and it is a MacBook Air 13-inch A1466. We'll try to charge. Yeah, I think it is charging. But it is not turning on. I'll try to turn on. It is not turning on, guys, so the customer complained. I think she spelled something on the keyboard and it died, so we will open it and check. Surely it is liquid damage, so we will see. We will be opening the back cover. We will be using pentalobe number 5. Oops. This is what it looks like inside, guys. It's like there's something living inside this laptop. Oh. So guys, we will be removing the board and try to fix this problem. I don't know what happened, guys, but I think there's an animal living here inside. Maybe the one who ate this all my screwdrivers. Maybe the same maybe the same guy living here inside. here's the actual liquid damages. So here's the parts that are a lot of corrosion, guys. This Q7630 and Q7430. Most of the corrosion we saw was here. All these parts, and also this so first we will check these parts, if we can fix it or replace it. It will not be damaged easily, but we will check for a short circuit, and just clean the corrosion. If it is like short circuit, so we will replace the parts. So we will be focusing on these parts, the Q7630 and Q7430. This part also was burnt, so we will check what's the function of this part and replace it. Guys, that one was capacitor. It is connected to the ground, and it is for the PPB watt G3H charger. So it is important. We will replace also that. I saw a lot of problems also on this circuit, guys. Circuit was the PP bus G3H. So it will be a lot of work this time. Guys, this is the board after we clean it. That's the PPB G3H PP bus G3H circuit. And this is the capacitor that was born. So now we can see the real situation on the parts. Guys, we already replaced the board capacitor. It is now this capacitor. We already replaced this part, so we will proceed to another. I think we have to resolder this PP bus G3H Q5500, because as you can see there's one pin. I think that was the pin number 4 that have a loose connection. That was the PP bus G3H. So we will resolder that one. I think it is not damaged, it's just a loose connection from the pin. After resoldering, I just make sure it is connected, and this is the result. Guys, I don't trust this capacitor tube, so I think we have to replace this one. It is not a short circuit, but I don't trust him. This is that capacitor that I am talking about. I think we should replace this one also. C7433. I check it on the multi-tester and it is not short circuit, but to make it sure, we will replace. This is what I do, guys. If you don't trust the part, then replace it. Don't risk your time and other parts on that small thing. So far we only replace the capacitor that is burnt and this capacitor. We did not yet replace any main parts. Only we clean the board and we remove the corrosions from the parts, pins, and also we replace a capacitor. But we resolder all the parts that are corroded, MOSFET, transistors, Sometimes it will help the parts to reconnect from the lost connection and also remove the corrosion. These parts are not easily damaged, so it's better to use the original parts. We can replace it, but for me, I don't think so. So I just clean and reconnect all lost connection and remove corrosion. Unless it is burnt, so we will replace it. Burnt or short circuit. Sometimes open circuit, but mostly we encounter a short circuit. As you can see guys, I removed this part because I know there is a lost connection inside. This is that part. And here on the 8 pin number 8, we have a lost connection, so we will fix that one. That is the lost connection that I am talking about, so we will fix that one. After fixing the pin number 8 on U5110, we fix the pin on the board and pin on the IC, so we will return it. after resoldering the U5110 guys, I discovered that the capacitor also is not good, so we'll replace also that capacitor. Guys, so far we replaced the uh, C5126 and C7145 and this C7433. All we replaced was only capacitors, so all the main parts we just resolder and remove the corrosion. We just make sure it's all connected, all the pins are connected. So all these plugs we will clean and we will try the board if it is working. Guys, I found more problem at the back of the board. This corrosion. This part have corrosion. The main parts and the main part that concerned me, this part I think this was all the pins have corrosion, so we will check what this part is. This is that part, yeah, it is like PP3B42 G3H system power. So it is very important to make the machine work. So we will check this one and hopefully we don't have to replace this one. Guys, this is what happened on this part. There is one pin damaged and it is not connected. So what we are going to do now, we will just put some soldering lead on that pins and hopefully we can fix the damaged pin. This is the problem that probably causing no power, so hopefully I can fix this pin and reconnect it together, because I am sure it will not work if that pin is still loose. This is that pin, guys, PP3 B42, that's G3S. G3H. This is that pin, guys. PP3 V42 G3H. So the machine need that pin to work because it cannot be like loose. So we will fix that one, and hopefully it will work this time. This U1950, it is very important. If something loose in this part, your machine will charge on everything, but it will not turn on. After some cleaning and resoldering, guys, this is what the parts look now. So I hope we can reconnect that pins properly, and hopefully the machine will work. Guys, if ever you see like this problem also, you need to take a multi-tester and check it, because this is a loose connection, and it will cause the machine to not work. So just put a jumper on it and it will be okay. After putting a jumper, it will look like this. So just do it whatever secure jumper you can do. The important thing is to have a connection on both line. So guys, after fixing everything, we need to check it if it is working. I already put the board, and still I did not remove the plugs, but I will do it later. I will be cleaning this board before I will give to the customer. Just do it also when you fix something, because it's not good to give the customer like this. It's all plugs all over the board. It's not good. And still we did not clean the cover, so after we check if it's working, then we will clean everything before we give to the customer. So now, moment of truth, we will check the device. So now guys, this is the time to check the device, and hopefully it will work. Put the charger. So now guys, it is working. All the things we did was replace those capacitors, burnt capacitors, and reconnect some ICs, because there are some ICs that have corrosion on the pins. So we just reconnect it all, then that's it. We did not replace main parts, and it's all good. Now what I have to do is to ask for the customer for his password, and then check everything, Wi-Fi, everything. So, and also cleaning the board first before we give it to him. So guys, please subscribe to my channel, and hopefully in the future you can use the knowledge that I shared to you, and um, I am hoping that I give you the right ways to fix your device. I mean, the easiest way, because if I will give you all the technical like technical conversation, what I mean is like, I know some of you are only users, not a technical person, so I make my videos relatable to all people, not only for the technical persons, but all of us normal people. So guys, please subscribe, take good care, and God bless.